Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. I'm standing here in the middle of God's country, Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Charles and I were on the golf course, we were talking, and something happened. A question came in on my Airbnb listing here in Jackson Hole, and I had a great idea and I wanted to share it with you. So let's get to it. We stopped in somewhere, cell signal came in, got a flood of inquiries, including an Airbnb request for my new listing here in Jackson Hole, and they had a question, and their question was, hey, you say that there's no parking garage, and there's a free parking garage 2 blocks away, but how do we get our luggage upstairs? Do we have to carry it the 2 blocks? Really good question, right? And so I responded, but that's not enough. Take every single inquiry and every single question that people ask you and make a frequently asked questions section on your description, right? So instead of answering this question every single time for every person, and clearly I didn't think of that, and that was a valid question, now I'm going to put in my description, frequently asked questions. Hey, how do I unload? And the answer is really simple. You can unload in the lobby and then park, or there's often on-street parking directly in front of the building, which is, for example, where Charles parked. But my point is, take every single inquiry and every single question that you hear back and forth and just answer it once. Label your description frequently asked questions at the bottom so that people who are really interested in reading everything and motivated to book your place can benefit from all the frequently asked questions. It's best practice. We see it on Amazon and all these other places where you shop. So let's just do it ourselves. Answer questions, remove any of that insecurity so that they book and convert and we put some revenue in your pocket. I hope you like this. I hope you like this. Thanks guys. Thumbs up, subscribe.